Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 4, Evolution of Writing and Communication. In this, today we will deal with writing and what is communication. Now first we have to see writing, how it started. And most early writing systems begin with small images used as words. Means writing was not with the letter but it was with image, that is used as a words and literally depicting the thing in question. But pictograms of this kinds are limited. These are not in a very large quantity, but it was limited, and some physical objects are too difficult to depict. Moreover, many words are concepts rather than objects. Means words are the concepts instead of the objects. So first, how it was started, that is of cuneiform in Mesopotamia from 3100 BC. Now here picture of a cuneiform script is given, and how it started, that is cuneiform or Sumero-Akkadian cuneiform, one of the earliest system of writing, and it was invented by the Sumerians. So you will underline these lines. Cuneiform or Sumero-Akkadian is earliest system of writing and it was invented by Sumerians. So you will underline this. And it is distinguished by its wedge-shaped marks on clay tablets. As you can see in this picture, this is a script, and here in one clay tablet, this one wedge-shaped. Wedge-shaped means it is a triangular shaped. You can see in all the tablets triangular shaped marks are given, and it was made by means of blunt reed for a stylus. Means it is read by this stylus, and the name cuneiform itself simply means wedge shaped. This cuneiform, its meaning is wedge shaped, that is the triangular shaped. You can see in all the pictures triangular shaped mark is given. So this is cuneiform. And next one is hieroglyphs and papyrus in Egypt from 3000 BC. Now the second civilization to develop writing shortly after the Sumerians. First was the Sumerians, then the second one is Egypt. The Egyptian characters are much more directly pictorial in kind than the Sumerian ones. Means it is different from the cuneiform script, but the system of suggesting objects and concept is similar. Means concept is similar but depicting part is different. And this one is the picture of hieroglyphs, and the Egyptian characters are called hieroglyphs by the Greeks in about 500 BC. And because by that time this form of writing was reserved for holy text. Holy means religious text. Hieros and glypho means sacred, means religious one, and engrave in Greek respectively. So this one the hieroglyphs. Now the second topic is what is communication. Now communication is what? That is the exchange of information or ideas. We can exchange our ideas by so many things like speaking, writing, drawing, body language, sign language, or through some mechanical or electronic means. This is called communication, where we can exchange our information. How we can communicate? Now we cannot imagine a word without any kind of communication. If there is no communication, we cannot imagine a world. because we have to share our communication with each others. Like development of civilization has been closely linked with the progress in communication. Day by day, the communication process is developed. And in ancient times, what are the ways of communication? That was in the modern times, what we are using, we are using so many things to communicate. But that time, in the earlier time, how people were communicating? They used pigeons. This is the picture, how the message is tied with the pigeon and it is sent to the by the messenger pigeon. This is a messenger pigeon and the messages is sent by this. Then messenger on horseback. Now here one picture is there. One messenger is sitting on horseback and whatever message is given to him, he will communicate to the place or the particular person. So this one was the messenger on horseback. And signals are drum beats, and this also used to send the messages. And with the passage of time, the forms of ideas of communication have evolved through continuous progress of technology. Means when technology is progressed, so many types of ideas of communication has evolved. So today we will read up to here only, and in my next class we will read about other subtopics. Okay, now you will read it up to here. Thank you.